How to log into Chase bank account online. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a web browser on your device. Click the search bar at top of the screen. Now type in chase.com. Press enter on the keyboard and then you will land on the official interface of Chase bank account online. On the top navigation bar, choose the type of account you want to log into, such as personal or business or commercial account. On the right side, enter your username and password. You can check the box to save your credential for the future use. If you prefer to use a security token, click the appropriate link. Now you have to click the sign in button to access your account. In case if you have forgotten your credentials, you can click the link provided to recover them, such as your username or password. If you don't have a Chase account, you can click the link to create a new one and follow the instructions. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.